Hi, welcome to another Craft Corner video. I'm Shannon. Today I'll be showing you a couple of different ways to decorate some cards that you can use for birthdays, holidays, and just because. So now for all of these projects, you're going to need to cover your area with newspaper, a plastic cloth, or a large trash bag, because these may get a little messy. And you just may want to wear gloves. Okay, our first decoration that we're going to start off with is string art. For this, you're going to need string, scissors, paints, cardstock or any other kind of heavy paper, a plate, shallow container. I'm going to be using a coffee filter for mine. And if you like, you can even use glitter. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off by putting several different colors of paint on your plate or filter. I'm just going to do several of these. Your colors can touch. For this, it will actually look pretty good if you mix it right away. Good globby amounts there. Let's see what color do I need. Some yellow. All right, that'll be good. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your string and you're gonna be cutting out a good amount. I'd say probably about there would be good. I'll set that aside. And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your string and get some paper. And you're going to get your string, just put it in the paint. And you can use your fingers just to get it in there, get it covered with paint. And like I said, it's okay if the colors mix, it just makes it that much cooler looking at the end. And I'm going to get another string. Do the same thing. All right. Now you're gonna just get your string and just lay it down on your paper, any which way you want. Give a light tap to it, so that way you make sure your string is completely touching your paper. Okay, and I'm just gonna wipe my fingers over here. And now, with the string, you're just gonna slowly pull it towards you. And you'll just come out with some really cool designs. And don't be afraid to just stick your fingers in there, tap, tap, tap. That's what makes it more fun and comes out with even better cool designs. Just like so. Okay, and depending on what kind of colors you use, you'll get random designs. Sometimes you can bunch them all up and just get a bunch of cool streaks all over. So just go ahead and set that aside to dry. And for our next project, what we're going to do is going to be using ping pong balls. To make little designs also. So for this one, what you're going to use is you're going to need a shallow pan, some more heavy paper you're going to put in your pan. And with this one, I'm just going to add more paint to this. To what I just used with the string art. You get extra gooey colors. Let me get another glove here. And this one's really quick and easy. Even the littlest kids can do this one, and they'll have fun with it. Just get your ping pong balls, roll it around in the paint. It's nice and covered. And then drop it in the pan. And the ooier and gooier, the better. And all you do for this one, you just roll your pan around. And there you go. The more colors, the better. You always come up with, you get cool patterns, and just add colors, just roll it around until you get a cool pattern that you like. When you're done with that, you take out the balls. Take out your paper and set aside until it dries. All right, and for our very last one that we're going to be doing today is the bubbles. Everybody loves bubbles. So what you're going to do, you're going to get your cups. I'm just going to do 4 colors today. Okay, so you're going to need cups, straws, paint, dish soap, and water. So what you're going to do first, you're going to get your dish soap. You're going to put a good amount in here. Whoop. Okay, that's good for the dish soap. Now for your colors. Just put a lot of color in there. Starting to run out of colors here. Now what you'll do, you'll take some water, add it to your cups, and I'm using quite a bit because my cups are pretty tall. And then with your straws, you're just going to mix it up. Kind of slowly, not too much because you don't want it to bubble too much yet. But just mix it up so that way your color and your soap and water are all nice and mixed. And then go ahead and leave your straw in there too. Quite a bit of soap in here, so it takes a little bit to mix. And you can do as many colors as you want. For these purposes, I'm just doing 4, make it easy. And with these, the colors do come out a little light. That's okay. I think if you want to do darker colors, just use less water. All right. Looks like these are mixed pretty good. And now, the fun part. What you're going to have to do now is just blow a lot of bubbles. And then when you after you blow all your bubbles, you're going to have your paper ready to place on top. And then you just lay your paper on top. And you'll start getting faint colors of your bubbles. And then just keep repeating until you get a design that you like. And then just lay it on top gently. That way all the bubbles pop onto your paper. And leave your imprint. And just keep repeating over and over with the same sheet of paper until you get some really cool color patterns going on. All right. Now, remember, we'd love to see how your crafts come out. Take pictures and share them with us. You can send pictures to taosyouth@taosgov.com, or you can share them to our Facebook page. So have fun, and we'll see you next week for another Craft Corner video.